Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate in Alight Motion. If you're new to Alight Motion and you don't know how to animate in it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. And now, click on the plus icon to create a new project. Here, review your project setting and click on Create Project. Now we have blank canvas here. So to add object to it, simply click on plus icon here. And first I'll create a rectangle shape and make it big enough to make it seem like a road. Just like this. And now we'll add a ball to it. To do that, again click on the plus icon at the bottom right and select the circle. Now resize the circle according to your need, and you can also change its color by clicking on the circle and selecting the color fill to black. Now we'll place the black circle at the initial position, that is here, and now click on the circle and you'll see different options. Click on move and transform. Now here we'll add a keyframe and we'll go to the end point of the frame and we'll add another keyframe to it, and we'll move the ball from there to its final point. That will be right here. And now if we play the video, it'll look like this. We can also make this transition smooth by simply clicking on the circle again and move and transform. And you can see the curve right here. Click on it. And we have different options here. We'll choose this one and let's see how it looks. And just like this, we can animate in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.